Check out this plumbing van that we're working on here today. So customer decided he finally wanted to put an alarm on his van to protect his tools. Obviously it's the plumber, very expensive tools in there. So what we're doing in here, we're adding the alarm to his factory clicker so he doesn't have to carry two separate remotes. So if you guys have a working vehicle just like this one and you want to get it protected, and you also don't want to add any more clickers, you just want to add it to your factory clicker, we can add the alarm to this. So bring it by here and let's get it done for you guys.